Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich in 60 seconds.
All right, let's get into making what I consider one of the greatest sandwiches ever, the buffalo chicken sandwich. I got a brioche bun. I toasted it up in my grill pan with a little bit of butter, covered both sides of the bun with blue cheese dressing. I got the crispy cutlets from Huntington Meats. That's where I get my chicken. Made those cutlets beautiful. Now we're gonna dunk it right in that Frank's hot sauce, which I melted some butter and some grated garlic in to give us that buffalo sauce. You think those are pickles? They're not. They're actually tomatoes, sour tomato slices from Kalen and Kalen in the LA Farmers Market. I like to throw on a little crisp piece of iceberg lettuce, throw that top on there, and then you're gonna cut it right down Broadway, and you are not gonna be disappointed. You know, as I get older, I don't wanna go out. And actually, the places you go, they're not as good as the stuff that you can make at home. And you have fun doing it. You bring the people to you, your family, your friends, however you want to do it. Have some nice drinks, and this is the way to go.
If you love buffalo wings, why not turn it into a sandwich? All you need is some nice crispy cutlets, a little buffalo sauce, a nice bun, and you're gonna have one of the best sandwiches you ever had. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.